Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to send your PayPal link. First, log into your PayPal account using a desktop or laptop computer. Once logged in, you will want to find the Send and Request tab at the top of the page. This is your starting point for both sending and receiving funds. From there, look for the Request Money option to proceed with finding your unique shareable link. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now, let's find that specific link. After clicking Request Money, you'll see several options. You need to locate the section titled Share Your PayPal, Me Link. This is where your personalized link resides. Simply click the Copy Link button next to your unique URL. This action will automatically save the link to your clipboard, making it ready for you to paste and share with anyone who needs to send you money quickly and easily. With your PayPal, Me Link copied, sharing it is incredibly simple. You can paste it into an email, a text message, or any messaging application you use like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. Just send the link directly to the person who needs to pay you. When they click on it, they will be taken straight to your PayPal Me page, where they can enter the amount and send you money without needing your email address or phone number. It's very convenient. For an even more professional touch, you can customize your PayPal Me link. Head over to the PayPal Me settings page, usually accessible through your profile settings. Here, you can choose a unique and memorable username, like PayPal Me/your name. This personalization makes your link much easier for others to remember and type, enhancing the overall experience. It's a great way to brand your payment link and make it truly yours.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.